Howdy and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to string and unstring a 150 pounds recurve crossbow without the stringer rope. This method is the easiest for me and is the best for the crossbow too. You only need the crossbow, the string and a clean support to rest one end of the bow. These working leather gloves are perfect. It can be a rag, a piece of fabric, leather, everything works just fine if it is clean and stable, and possibly soft. First of all, take a look at how it works. Then I'll comment the method and give you some advice if you wanna try it. Done. Quick and easy. To unstring the crossbow, you make the exact opposite. Let's take a look at the steps in slow motion. I attach one end of the string to the bow. Place the stringed end of the bow on the support. The butt of the stock goes against your dominant side hip. Then the dominant end goes behind the unstringed end of the bow, and the string is in the other hand. Push with the hip and pull with the arm, while sliding up the string to the notch. And now let's unstring it. Let's see the movements again from different angles. Let's go closer now. and your bow is stringed. I prefer to pull the bow by resting it on my wrist rather than my palm. When you understand the movements and master the right technique, you'll be surprised how effective it can be. I'm not a strong man, but I can string crossbows up to 185 pounds. Let's do it again. One last time for the show. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoy this content. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and see you soon on the next one. Thanks for watching.